how to install eSign on iPhone in iOS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will show you how to sign and sideload any IPA file using Enterprise Certificate to your iPhone or iPad without any computer. First, launch the Safari app and type exactly what I am typing, which is applep12.com. Once you are on this website, scroll down to the bottom until you find Free Enterprise Certificate. Tap on Follow Telegram channel now, and next tap on View in Telegram, so install it beforehand. Now just tap on Open and it will redirect to the Telegram channel of Apple P12. At the time of making this video, they have released a latest certificate for IPA signing and the status of certificate is good, meaning that it's not revoked. If it gets the status of it will be revoked as shown, first tap on this link to download the eSign app. You can see the name of certificate here. Tap on Install and next again tap on Install when you get a pop-up like this. As you can see, the eSign app is getting sideloaded. Once the app is sideloaded, you must trust the certificate, otherwise you will see something like this. So to solve it, go Settings and then to General option. Finally, tap on VPN and Device Management. As you can see the name of certificate here, tap on it and finally tap on Trust. Once this is completed, you will be able to open the eSign app. Just agree to the terms and conditions of eSign app and next tap on Settings as shown on the video. Now let's go back to that Apple P12 channel. Launch the Telegram app. Now just tap on the name of the certificate as shown on the video. The file is in zip format, so tap on this share icon and select Save to Files option. Save the zip file anywhere you wish to. Once done, now it's time to extract the zip file. So launch Files app and locate that saved zip file. Tap on the zip file to extract it. Inside the extracted folder, you will find 3 files. The README file will have password of the certificate, which you will require, so keep watching. Next, go back to the eSign app. Tap on Settings. Here just tap on Import Resource and one by one import the 2 files by just tapping on it. You do not have to import the README file. eSign app, once the files are imported, you will be able to find them here in the File section. Now just tap on the P12 file as shown and tap on Import Certificate Management. Enter the password, which is applep12.com, then tap on Import. Now select any IPA file you wish to sideload. In my case, I will sideload the INDS emulator app. Tap on the desired IPA file. Now just tap on the Import option as shown. Once the file is imported, tap on it and select Install option. Again, tap on Install when you get this pop-up. Now tap on Return. As you can see, it did not install. Don't worry, it's part of the process. Launch eSign, navigate to the App section. Here you will find your desired app which you wanted to sign and sideload. Just tap on the app and select Signature option. Again, tap on the Signature button as shown. Once the process is completed, it will say packed successfully. Next, just tap on Install, and when you get this pop-up, tap on Install again. It will say Download completed installing. Now let's go back to the home page, and as you can see, app is sideloaded successfully without any computer. Once the app is installed successfully, you need to install the anti-revoke profile to prevent the app from getting revoked. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install eSign on iPhone in iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.